Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Kenmore DU2015 Bagless upright vacuum. If you're tired of struggling with pet hair, dirt, and allergens in your home, then this is the vacuum for you. This bagless upright vacuum is designed for use on multiple floor types, from carpets to hardwood floors, and its powerful HEPA filter system traps 99.7% of dirt, reducing pollutants in the room and keeping your home clean and healthy. With a 2-motor system, this vacuum excels in suction power for any surface type, and the suction control feature allows you to easily switch between different carpet weights and fabrics without sacrificing airflow or cleaning efficiency. One of the best features of this vacuum is its lightweight and maneuverable design, weighing in at under 14 pounds and equipped with swivel steering for a deep, thorough clean. Plus, with 4 attachments for extended reach, including a 3-in-1 combination tool, upholstery tool, pet handymate, and rotating fan tool, you can easily clean transitions and reach all those hard-to-reach places. So if you're ready to say goodbye to pet hair, dirt, and allergens in your home, then click the link in the description to get your hands on the Kenmore DU2015 Bagless upright vacuum today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on keeping your home clean and healthy. Thanks for watching.